So hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
We are again at this park and going to attend public speaking. But before this public speaking, we would like to start a small activity that will boost your morale before any debate or before public speaking. So are you ready for this activity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have already done this game at indoor. But now at outdoor we are going to do it first time. It is a number game.
Yeah.
Okay, number counting everybody knows, I think. 1 2 3 4.
हाँ सर.
ओके सर.
ठीक है.
5.
हाँ, 1 से शुरू होगा. If one start with English 1, another will speak in Hindi 2.
No, do.
दो.
और जो गलत बोलेगा
वो आउट.
he will be out. Fine. So start with Aditya. Yes, start.
1 2 3
Make it fast.
5
6
7. 8. 9. 10.
Out. 1
1. 2.
3 4
Out.
out.
6
1
1
1
2
1 बोलिए.
1
1
2
3 4
5
6. 7. 8. 9.
8
7.
7 8.
9. 10.
1
1 2
3 4
5
6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
1
2
1 1.
1.
2
2.
3
4
हाँ ये थे 3 4 3 4.
आएगा.
अरे सही.
इधर से ना
No, I am here. Yes, 1
1. 2. 3. 4. 5.
6
7 8
6 7 6 7
out. 1
1
2 3
4.
out 1
1.
1
अरे सर
2. 3. 4.
5
6 7 8
8
1.
1
2. 3. 4.
5
6
7
8. 9.
सर 7
9
सर 8 बोल रहे
हाँ
हैं.
8 9 okay yes
10.
1
1.
2
आउट 1.
1 2
हाँ 1 के बाद 2 नहीं आता है. Yes
3
4
5. 6. 7. 8.
9
10
1
1
2. 3. 4. 5.
out 1
1
2
3
3 1
1
2 out. Yes हाँ 1
1. 2.
3
4
5. 6.
7 6 सर.
क्या बोला है
7
8
9. 10.
1
1
2
3.
3 okay yes 1
मार्क जिता देना.
1
2.
3
4
5.
6
7
8.
9
10
1
1.
2
3
3
4.
5
5
6
7.
8
क्या बोला है
8 सुनिए
4
5
6.
7
8
9.
10
1
1
1
सर 9 के बाद
नहीं 1 बोल दिया
10
1
आउट हो गए
10
तो आप 1 बोले ना.
10 1
1
2.
3
4.
5
6.
7
8.
9
10.
1
1
2.
3
4.
5
6.
6 6
6 कहाँ सर?
6
7 6 7
6.
6
6.
7
8.
9
10.
11
1
11
1
अच्छा 1
2.
make it fast otherwise you will be out
3
4.
5
6.
7
8.
9
10.
1
1
2.
3
4.
5
6
7
8
8
Nine.
8
क्या 8
8
9 8
9 9 he will be winner. Okay, come once again. Come once again. Make the same line. Now it would be Sunday, Somwar.
संडे
Sunday,
संडे सोमवार ट्यूसडे बुधवार 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 थर्सडे शुक्रवार
Saturday. वो छोड़िए,
रविवार मंडे
जल्दी.
ट्यूसडे
out. Sunday.
संडे सोमवार ट्यूसडे
ट्यूसडे
हाँ सही बोल
जल्दी, make it fast.
कंफ्यूज हो गए
ट्यूसडे के बाद
Tuesday.
बुधवार
वेडनेसडे बोल दी
सर बोल दी
हाँ.
बुधवार सर उसको बोला था ना थर्सडे
तेरे दोनों काउंट
शुक्रवार सैटरडे शनिवार सॉरी रविवार संडे
Monday.
क्या बोलिए
From Monday.
मंगलवार
Make it fast.
बृहस्पतिवार शुक्रवार आउट
Out. बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, Sunday. मंगलवार. Out.
एक चला के गंगा जी ऊपर
अब आगे
Sunday.
संडे सोमवार बुधवार
सोमवार, बुधवार. Sunday, Monday you are not remembering. हाँ, Sunday.
संडे सोमवार
मंगलवार.
ट्यूसडे
क्या बोली हैं
सोमवार.
सोमवार
सोमवार.
ट्यूसडे
तो बुधवार थर्सडे
शुक्रवार सोचे जुम्मा बोले
रविवार
रविवार.
मंडे
मंडे.
मंगलवार
वेडनेसडे. बुधवार.
हैं?
अरे बुधवार.
थर्सडे
शुक्रवार.
सैटरडे के बाद इतवार
मंडे मंगलवार वेडनेसडे गुरुवार
क्विक. हाँ, गुरुवार. वेंसडे.
क्या
वेंसडे.
थर्सडे
आउट.
अरे सर समझ ही नहीं आ रही
वेंसडे के बाद क्या आएगा? थर्सडे.
सर कौन
ओके थर्सडे.
इसका
इसका थर्सडे.
शुक्रवार नहीं सॉरी
शुक्रवार.
गुरुवार ना
सैटरडे
थर्सडे, गुरुवार.
सोमवार ट्यूसडे
ट्यूसडे, बुधवार.
ट्यूसडे बुधवार तो क्या थर्सडे
थर्सडे. गुरुवार. हाँ, शुक्रवार.
अरे आउट
Saturday.
नहीं
सैटरडे, संडे. आउट. संडे.
सोमवार ट्यूसडे
ट्यूसडे.
बुधवार
जल्दी. थर्सडे. शुक्रवार.
फ्राइडे सर शुक्रवार
फ्राइडे. आउट. संडे. सोमवार. ट्यूसडे. बुधवार. थर्सडे.
शुक्रवार सैटरडे
मंडे
मंगलवार
वेडनेसडे गुरुवार
फ्राइडे
सैटरडे. संडे.
सोमवार
ट्यूसडे. बुधवार.
थर्सडे
थर्सडे. शुक्रवार.
सैटरडे रविवार
मंडे.
मंगलवार
वेडनेसडे
गुरुवार फ्राइडे
संडे.
सोमवार
आउट.
ट्यूसडे
वेडनेसडे.
सब बस सब बोले सर बुधवार
थर्सडे शुक्रवार
संडे सोमवार
मंगलवार. आउट. संडे.
संडे सोमवार ट्यूसडे
बुधवार
आगे बढ़ो बेटा. थर्सडे. शुक्रवार.
सैटरडे
संडे
मंडे. सैटरडे, संडे. मंडे.
मंगलवार वेडनेसडे
गुरुवार
फ्राइडे शनिवार
संडे
सोमवार ट्यूसडे
बुधवार
थर्सडे शनिवार शुक्रवार
सैटरडे
रविवार मंडे
बुधवार.
थर्सडे शुक्रवार
बुधवार.
Saturday.
बुधवार.
फिर से
बुधवार.
तो बुधवार
थर्सडे शुक्रवार
सैटरडे
रविवार मंडे
बुधवार बुधवार
बुधवार
थर्सडे शुक्रवार
शनिवार
सैटरडे तो सैटरडे हुआ
सैटरडे होगा
रविवार
मंडे
मंडे
तो मंगलवार
वेडनेसडे गुरुवार
सर
फ्राइडे सैटरडे
शनिवार
सैटरडे
सैटरडे सैटरडे
सैटरडे
सैटरडे रविवार
मंडे
जल्दी क्विक
मंगलवार
क्विक 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 क्विक
सर संडे
शनिवार सैटरडे संडे
शनिवार
सैटरडे संडे
शनिवार आप बोले
सैटरडे संडे सैटरडे संडे आउट रिकॉर्डिंग में याद आएगा ना हाँ चलो 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 जल्दी
सो स्टार्ट
मंडे
मंडे मंगलवार वेडनेसडे गुरुवार फ्राइडे शनिवार गुरुवार
फ्राइडे
फ्राइडे शनिवार
वेंसडे
वेडनेसडे गुरुवार
थर्सडे
थर्सडे शुक्रवार
मंडे
मंडे मंगलवार
ट्यूसडे
ट्यूसडे बुधवार
थर्सडे
शुक्रवार
थर्सडे
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 शुक्रवार
Okay, both are win. Both have win. Both. Once more, please collect. Please gather fast as you can. Make it closer this time. Make it closer. Make it more closer. At least ये hand आप लोग एक दूसरे को clap कर पाए. इतना close करना है. हो जाएगा. Come closer, come closer, come closer. ऊपर आइए. Okay, you from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once I say 0, everyone clap to each other. And then according to the number.
It means
जीरो में सभी एक साथ
समझ गया
When I say 0,
में सबका
everybody claps to each other. Right? And when I say the number, only the number wala person will clap each other.
जैसे इस पार्टनरशिप 1 2 3 4 लाइक 6
हाँ.
0 और 2 वाला बोलेगा
Is that clear?
यस सर
0. 0. Make it together. 0. पास आ जाओ बेटा. आप इस पे आ जाइए. आप इस पे आइए. इजी है ना? 0. नो. 0. 0. एक साथ नहीं आ रहा है. 0. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 1. 3. 4. 6. 5. 1. 3. 2. 1. 1. 3. 2. 1. 3. 2. 1. 3. 2. 4. 5. 6. 0. तो clap. Zero. No. Together. 0. 1. 4. Out. 3. 2. 0. Everyone out. Out. Come closer. Where is your partner? Come, why you? See, 0. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 0. Zero. 1, 3, 2, 1, 0. Out. 0. नहीं, एक साथ नहीं हो रहा है. 0. 1, 2, 0. Out. So we are here again, and now we are going to do a debate. This side and this side, you both are favoring the topic, and Ananya, you, and Sara, you are opposed on the topic. Fine. So as we have the GD rule, few of you will give your opinion, and then we would start our GD. So this side, for you, Ark, you want to give your opinion. Okay, you may start now.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So we are here in that park. So, for doing our debate. So I am in favor of mother tongue should be the instruction in schools. So I am in favor that mother tongue is instruction in schools because the childrens want to know that what is our language.
Hello everyone, this is Divya Yadav and our topic is should mother tongue is the medium to instruct the school in the school. Yes, I am favoring, we all are favoring in mother tongue is a medium because I don't say lie. Psychologists is strongly believe that the mother tongue is the best medium to instruct in a school.
Yes.
Good evening everyone. I am Sarita Aziz and I am not favoring this topic because if our children only knowing their own language will not giving them better opportunity to do a job in other countries, they make their own comfort in that language.
Okay, now anyone can start.
Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Afzal Khan and we are today in a topic
Make the mic closer like this.
and we are when our today's topic is mother tongue should be used in our schools to give instructions. So my question is that mother tongue should be compulsory in the organization, institutes and other home organizations, but other languages should be considered as the not primary language but as secondary language and taught, but the primary language, the standard of primary language should be our mother tongue.
I am totally agree with you, but the mother tongue is, if the mother tongue is the only primary language, the children comfort their language and not knowing other things better.
Sarah, as you say, mother tongue is giving you comfort zone. Okay, I agree with that. But if some people who want to foreign, okay, but there is some people on that country, like I am in India and you are an Indian person. Okay, we are both meet on the America and other countries. If you talk with me English, we all are feel if talk with me your other mother language, we feel proud. Not a comfort zone or not a that type ki like this.
Please.
What if we doesn't meet? If we meet other people in America who know only English, how we can communicate with these people, with that people?
I want to answer this question. As you say, if we meet to other country members who doesn't know our language, we सीखने को
We learn.
We learn other languages. Like if we want to go America, we understand, we learn the American language and then talk, but not to give a superiority to other languages. It was mother tongue.
Okay, yes.
Divya is saying that if we meet
Make it closer.
if we meet in other countries and we talk in English, you don't feel proud. So my question is, your mother tongue is Hindi.
Yes,
Our mother tongue is Hindi.
Yes.
So you always talk in Hindi. So you can't learn Hindi because it is your mother tongue, and English is other language. Another your accept your mother tongue. Then how can you say we can't talk in Hindi in other country?
So if we want to any job, so why we can go to America and other foreign countries? Why we cannot speak in our mother tongue language and promote our country and develop them, as we see Russia, China, America, like countries speaking in their own language, so they can growing up very well.
I totally agreed with you. But tell me this: in India also, you only know Hindi. Then you can't find job easily. You can find job. Tell me without English. Then why are you come here for learning English?
I understand. As you say, India has only Hindi, not. India is a multi-talented country, and there is lots of culture, lots of tradition, and lots of languages like Marathi, Punjabi, not only Hindi. In Punjab, there is mother tongue is Punjabi. In Maharashtra, there is Marathi, and there's Punjab and Punjabi, like this type of languages, not only Hindi, as you say.
Hindi is our official language, not a national language. Because of mother tongue is an impact of cultural identity.
I totally agree with Divya. As she said that in India there are so many mother tongues, yes, but they want to communicate with each other. So how they can talk with each other in their mother language? Tell me.
Yes.
Suppose, first repeat your question, kindly. Repeat your question.
In India there are many mother tongues. So
Not mother tongue, they are regional languages.
Yes, sorry. So how if they want to communicate with each other, how they can communicate?
There should be a one official language, which is Hindi, for all around the nation, which is our common language. If a person comes from Punjab to Delhi, he speaks in Hindi. If a person comes from Maharashtra, he speaks Marathi. He come to Delhi, to our national capital, he speaks Hindi.
You want to if you want to talk with any person who come from
Abroad. Foreign countries.
If you want to talk with any person who comes from South India, then how in what language will you talk to them? Because I see many times they don't know Hindi as well.
Yes.
But sometimes South Indian people are also know the Hindi.
Not many times.
Not many times, sometimes.
I want to answer your question. As you say, if some people come on South, but if not for any other languages, if we learn that language, like Southern culture, I will learn that language, and I will conversation with them if its own language.
You are saying right, but not every time. Many of these people come from South Indians. They don't know Hindi. They connect with us with talking in English.
So answer my question that before independence of India, before the colonization of the Britishers, what was the language which is used in India?
I agree with you, but we know that in today's generation, yes, I promote our mother tongue. I proud that we speak Hindi. Hindi is our mother tongue. But in today's generation, we know Hindi, our mother tongue, but we don't know other languages. So according to me, we should also learn many languages to connect all over the world, and English is the main medium.
Our mother tongue help us to learn anything very easily. Then what is the need of to learn any other language?
Your mother tongue is Hindi. Yes, when we born, our parents firstly talk in the language they teach us is Hindi. So you know Hindi perfectly because this is our mother tongue. But you don't know English. So we should learn English and other languages also.
Yes.
There is only sometimes we can ask our teachers questions in English because we are comfortable in our mother tongue.
If you are only comfortable in your mother tongue, how will you learn other things and other language perfectly? If you are getting a job and if you are required a job in other countries, you have to know the English language.
I want to give you answer of this question. As you see, if we go on other countries, how we conversation to other members, we learn the other languages.
Not conversation. How will you get the job?
Also the job, if we want to getting some job on other countries, we learn that languages like English, like American, like other language.
American language is also English.
Okay, I agree with that. No, American actually sees the other tone. Stone was different. Stone was different.
It is different, not a
And
language.
some words pronunciation is different, very different to English, normal English to American English. There was biggest different.
Speaking 2 hours and you learn English after practicing it.
After first, I also said that you come here to learn English because you want to learn. You come here 2 hours or 1 hour.
So firstly, the topic is not the American and other countries. The topic is in a school, the instruction in a school. So I believe in only learning in Hindi. Should not children do a perfect education in a school?
Okay, I answered this question. Okay, I answered this question. As you say, a children who come to in school and he asks to teacher, may I come in? The teacher says, yes, come. This doesn't understand. In Hindi, he says, may I come in? And the teacher says that, yes, come in. But the student doesn't understand. They also said, yes, come in. Yes, come in. Yes, then hold the hand and then pull. And then said, yes, come in. What was you say on that topic?
What you will say on this topic?
So the children are coming in school to learn the language, na? So the children already learning the mother tongue in their home. Why they come in school to learn English better?
If we want to learn English, then firstly we translate them into Hindi. जैसे if we like if we first of all do tense, first of all we do a one sentence, Ram खाना खाता है, तो then we change into in English. Yes. So how?
We used our mother tongue.
So firstly we use our mother tongue.
That you learn other languages, not your mother tongue. Your mother tongue your parents teach in starting. So how if you learn if your parents teach your mother tongue in starting, then why
Yes.
One second.
You are saying that we have to know Hindi first to translate English better, but if you're saying Hindi is our supportive language, not the better language, if we learn English better.
If Hindi is our supportive language, so why 90% of people in India talk in Hindi?
Tell me first thing, accepting Hindi, if you want to talk in English in front of like we are come here for public speaking, for to enhance our confidence in speaking in English. How can you if सर बहुत डर लग रहा है. If our mother tongue is in Hindi
Mother tongue is Hindi.
नहीं
Regional language.
If our medium in schools is Hindi, then how can you enhance your confidence in public speaking?
In schools, if we want to learn any chapter of English, the teacher will explain that in Hindi.
Yes, I accept in Hindi, but why teachers convert in Hindi? Because you don't want to learn English.
Teachers don't say if we want to learn English, because he told us in Hindi, because we know better as compared to English.
Okay. Yes, I agreed with you, but I am saying that Hindi is our mother tongue. Yes, it is good, but we should. I am also agreeing with. I also agree with you. I am also saying that we all are knowing our mother tongue. Yes. we should also learn other languages. I am not saying English. We convert our mother tongue in English, Hindi to English. I am also saying that you are saying. First, I have biggest example I see in my life. My sister is studying in UP board in Hindi medium, and she got 83%, and she got 80 numbers in English out of 100. But if I tell her to speak in English, then she can't speak good, and she don't have confidence to speak in front of everyone.
As Ark said that as Ark said before that we have got independence from Britishers, and the China got independence after us in 1949, है ना? 1949. Thus, after independence, China promotes its own language, which is Chinese, है ना? And no other language which is the subcategory of language is China. And we know that they are leading in the technological market with their own language, and we are following in British's language, and we are behind the UK, US, China, and other European countries.
So I think the conclusion is still pending, and every time, as we know, the debate conclusion is not fixed, because if we continue this, it would be continued till the night, and there would be no conclusion at all. So we should finish it now, and I would like to call Ananya, come here and give your concluding speech.
After listening this debate, I conclude that we can't compare past situations to nowadays, because at that time, if people were active, they don't replace the language. If in past people were accept their official language in every field, then nowadays not another languages is compulsory to completing our dreams. But in today's generation, other languages is also important to achieve our dreams. Thank you.
Very good. Clap for Ananya. At least you will clap. Now I would like to call Divya. Come, Divya. You have your own mic.
Yes, sir, I have my own. Hello everyone. After listening the debate, I want to say something here. As a conclusion, our Prime Minister also said and also promote our culture, our mother tongue. He also said if all the school mediums is converted into mother tongue. Mother tongue is the best interrupting medium, because the instructing medium, because our psychologists also strongly believe that a child was born and he want to conversation their parents is medium is mother tongue. And some people who wants to job of other countries, yes, there is important to learn other languages, but it's not that you go through your mother tongue. It's we should take it together, our mother tongue as well as other language. Thank you.